Today, I'm showing you how to share your Amazon Prime membership with your family. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to Amazon.com. Open Amazon.com in your browser and log in to your Amazon account. Step 2. Access your account. Hover over your name at the top right and click Your Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find Amazon Household. Scroll down until you find Your Amazon Family and then click on it. Step 4. View sharing options. The Amazon Household page opens. You can share your benefits with one other adult and up to 4 child profiles ages 12 and under. Step 5. Add new member. Click the Add button, then choose Add Adult to share with another adult or Add Child for children under 13. Step 6. Link separate accounts. For adults, you have 2 options: link 2 separate Amazon accounts or create a profile within your account. Select Link Accounts to share benefits without sharing passwords. Step 7. Send invitation. Enter the person's name and email address in the provided fields, then click Continue. Step 8. Agree to payment methods. Note, both accounts must agree to share payment methods. This means you can both use each other's payment methods for purchases. Click Agree and Continue. Step 9. Choose digital content. Select what digital content you want to share and then send an invite. Step 10. Wait for acceptance. The invited person receives an email with a link. They have 14 days to click the link and accept the invitation. Once accepted, they'll have access to your Prime benefits, including free shipping, Prime Video, and other perks. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Amazon Prime membership with your family through Amazon Household.